Today we will discuss essay on the Independence Day, 15th August. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrated this day as the Independence Day. India was under the British rule for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Today, we are living in free India because of their sacrifices. 15th August is a national holiday and it is celebrated as the biggest national festival all over the country. Independence Day ceremony is organized at the Red Fort on 15th of August. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag early in the morning. The national anthem is also sung. We feel proud to be an Indian. Prime Minister also delivers his speech to the nation. Then the parade starts. It starts with the army and is followed by cultural presentations. Lots of people participate in this ceremony. Schools, colleges, private and public offices also hoist national flag and pay homage to the freedom fighters. Patriotic songs are played everywhere at the school, colleges and also on radios and televisions. Children celebrate the Independence Day with great pride and honor, carrying small flags in their hands. Many cultural programs are organized across the nation to remember the heroic deeds of our freedom fighters. Independence Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. People decorate their offices and houses with tricolor. Everyone pays tribute to the great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the country. Jai Hind!